headliner takes over the rostrum at the National Press Club in Washington. The men who cover the Capitol scene are regaled by Alfred Hitchcock, the master of suspense, who has some comments about his latest picture.
For over 30 years now, I have been indulging in the occupation of raising goose flesh domestically and in England. I have only recently completed work on the latest picture. The title is quite short, just 2 words. There were 3, but we cut the first word for and call it simply The Birds. Naturally, most of the actors in The Birds are. In fact, I have employed more feathered performers than have been seen since fan dancing went out of style. The cast also includes a few men and women. After all, the picture isn't just about the birds, it's about the bees, too.
Mr. Hitchcock receives a citation to mark his 30 years of contribution to the world of entertainment. The Birds is his 50th movie. New honors for the man who was chilling movie audiences long before air conditioning.